Hello and welcome back, friends. Today I'm going to show you how you can grow strawberry plant at your home. These are the strawberries that I have brought from the grocery store, and you can see the seeds of the strawberries, and these black dots are the well grown up seed, whereas these green seeds are not that much grown up and they will not germinate in future. Therefore, now I'll peel out some well grown up seeds from the strawberries. Now I'll clean this peeled off strawberry seeds to separate the seeds from the juicy part of the strawberries. I'll clean it twice and thrice to separate the seeds. Now I'll place these seeds in a tissue paper and make them wet. Now I'll put the strawberries in the ziplock. This will help the seeds to grow faster. After 5 days, nothing change has been seen, and on 11th day you can see the seeds have started germinating. The leaves and the roots are very visible. Now I'll add some mud on it so that the newly germinated roots will get enough nutrition to grow much faster. After 13 days, many of the strawberry plants can be seen. On 23rd day, the result is very distinct. On 33rd day, the extra leaves has also grown, and a number of strawberry plants you can see in the plates and in the cup as well. On 43rd day, it has grown very well, and you can see the result in the plates, plastic cups. Here on 75th day, the strawberry plant is very well. After 3 months, you can see a flower has also grown up in this plastic bag. Here, number of flowers are visible, and you can see the newly grown up strawberry fruits in this strawberry plant. The plant is also really healthy, and it is doing really great in this plastic bag. After 5 months, you can see number of strawberries well grown. They are well ripe up, and this small strawberry plant which I have grown is doing really great inside this pot. So you don't have to do any much of hard work. Just simply by this technique you can grow this beautiful strawberry plant at your home, at your garden. So this is the strawberry plant that I have planted last year, and there are number of fruits you can see in this strawberry plant. So in this way, friends, you can grow your own strawberry plant at home. If you have any queries, please let me know.